Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to use keyframes in CapCut using your Android device. To get started, open the CapCut app and create a new project. Select the video or photo you want to edit, then tap Add to import it into the timeline. Next, tap the clip you want to animate. Move the playhead to the point where you want the animation to begin, then tap the keyframe icon, which looks like a small diamond. This creates your first keyframe. Move the playhead to a different point in the timeline, then resize, rotate, or reposition the clip. CapCut will automatically create another keyframe and animate the movement between the 2 points. You can add as many keyframes as you need to create smooth zooms, pans, rotations, or other animation effects. Preview your video to see the animation. If needed, adjust the position of your keyframes until you're satisfied with the result. Once you're done editing, tap Export to save your video. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to use keyframes in CapCut. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.